Why do 80% of crows remember your face forever? Let's find out. These feathered geniuses have cognitive skills that rival some primates. Crows can recognize and remember individual human faces. They can distinguish between friend and foe, and even teach their flock who to avoid or harass. Crows use tools, solve puzzles, and adapt to challenges with incredible ingenuity. Their social structures are complex. They mourn lost flock members and communicate detailed information. And get this, they pass knowledge down through generations. From rural landscapes to bustling cities, crows thrive in diverse habitats. Their extraordinary memory and intelligence remind us of the amazing cognitive abilities in the animal kingdom. So next time you see a crow, remember they might just remember you too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife stories and mind-blowing animal facts.